Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review. The name of the product is Houston Flight Bag by Coach Outlet. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the flight bag with my own money. Now on to the unboxing. Okay, all right. Kids, do not play with knives, okay? Okay, so this is the Houston flight bag. Your receipt and the bag. So before I continue, let me discuss the price. The total I paid for is $129.79. Now that's included the tax, which is $10.58. The bag was $119.20. The original price was $298, but you know, it was on sale, and you know me, I love to take advantage of sale prices. So the reason why I purchased this particular Coach bag, first and foremost, every time I travel, I have my wallet, my cell phone. I carry a comb with me as well. And it seems like my pocket or my pants pocket is always bulky. And you know, to me, I just feel like it doesn't look right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put everything in the bag. And also going through TSA, going through security airport, it's such a hassle taking, you know, all your stuff from your pocket, putting it in the bin, and you might risk of losing or forgetting your wallet, your cell phone in the bin. So just put everything in a small bag. I think this will do, you know. But anyhow, let me open it. It came in a nice Coach. Okay, Coach. Got that little emblem right here, or the trademark, and it says New York. Okay. So it's nice and wrapped up, well protected, as you can see. These are little foam sheets. You got your little wax paper or paper, period. Oops. Came with a Coach tag. All right. So it says here comparable value, $298. Okay, and the back Coach tag. And you have your little Coach bag tag. So First impression, it looks high quality. All right, it feels high quality. Zippers is good quality, high quality. I like the trademark right here. I don't know if you can see that. The zippers. See little details like this. I like, you know. So what I mean by this, meaning Coach did not, you know, did not sacrifice quality, and that's a part of it. All right. Now the straps feel strong, like strong. It doesn't bend as easy. It kind of reminds me of the, you know, the car seat belt material, but not too bendable. As you can see, it's pretty solid as far as the bag strap. Let me take this off because I'm gonna wear this some more. I got trip tomorrow. Yeah, even the zipper. So after reading the details from the website coachoutlet.com, this material is called refined pebble leather. Okay, so I guess that's explains the pattern of the leather. All right, it has a pocket in the back. So this is the front. It has a pocket in the back. I wouldn't put like anything bulky. Maybe a cell phone. Let me see, my iPhone 14. A cell phone would do good, would do justice. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it fits. See? Don't even see it. Yeah, so you could fit your iPhone or your phone. The leather is cool. All right, so let's see the sewing patterns. All right, so the sewing patterns, straight, very organized. The details, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I don't see no flaws as far as the sewing is concerned. Smells like leather. Okay, so this is the front. The front, you could, you know, fit your wallet, you know, fit your knife. Let me see if you could fit your phone. Yeah, it fits. Can't hardly tell it's there. All right. All right, so the inside, it's a lot of foam sheets. So the inside, it has a Coach, feels like, yeah, rubber tag. So it says, this is a Coach bag. The story patches our badge of authenticity. Can't hardly read that. Few people may see it, but it will always as a reminder of our commitment to quality and craft. I can't hardly read it, but it's cool. And inside it has Wear it, love it, pass it on. You know, it has the sensor for your security sensor and another tag there. So the inside is pretty spacious. All right. So I wouldn't put anything bulky in this bag. I wouldn't, you know, put nothing heavy neither, cause this is just something to put your, you know, your cash, your cell phone, your wallet, your credit cards, and tickets. All right. And it's adjustable. All right. This is the decent height. I will rack my bag. There you go. All right. See, I like it like this. It doesn't attract attention, even though it does have the Coach trademark, Coach brand in here. You know, simple black bag. It doesn't attract too much. You know, you could carry like this, or you could carry like this in the front. You know, either or. You know, either or. It's good. As I mentioned before, I will start investing in good quality to high quality materials, clothing, and also bags. Sometimes it's not about the brand, it's not about paying for brands. Sometimes it's about paying for good to high quality materials. And you must treat it as an investment, okay? Don't be discouraged on buying these things, okay? Like as I mentioned before, I am not sponsored, but here I am. This is my first Coach bag, and we'll see. We'll see how durable it is. I'm gonna try to use it as often as possible. I will be definitely using this in my trip as far as flying is concerned, and I'll take it from there. Okay, my final thoughts. First and foremost, as I mentioned before, this is a good to high quality bag. The zippers is good quality. The materials, good quality. I don't see no flaws as far as stitchings is concerned. The strap feels and look durable. As I mentioned before, it reminds me of the seat belt strap. All right, the buckles looks and feel pretty solid. The leathers on the strap, no flaws. Sewing is great, as you can see, straight, no stitchings coming out. That's how you know when the workmanship is good. You don't see no flaws. All right, and you know, I cannot say this is durable because I have yet to test it out, but I will try to take this with me every chance I get, every chance I travel. I will take this with me and see how durable it is. All right, so I'm happy with the purchase. The bag looks good on me, and definitely, man, this is some grown man things. You know, I could wear this casual. I could wear this looking uh, sporty. You know, so Yeah, I like it. I like the bag. All right. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on the comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world. Peace.